Good afternoon, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit. This is another custom automatic we've done with the Starline S9. So this is a quick demonstration of what happens when you unlock the van without a tag. So say someone's cloned your key, they don't know your PIN code, they've got a spare key. When they sold it, they kept one back, you've got a Starline fitted. This is what happens. So you unlock the van, it sounds like it's disarming, but it's actually not seeing the tag because the tag's there. It's it's not seeing a tag. So what happens is when you try and start it without a tag, you will it'll start initially and just kick itself out. It'll just spit you out, stall the engine. It's still searching for the tag, so you ain't going to get anywhere whilst it's searching for the tag. It's in authorization mode, just keeps on spitting you out. Turning the ignition back on, you can hear the countdown start. It will also start to sound the Starline siren. So this is basically saying, look, I can't see a tag, I'm going to kick off, I'm not happy. You don't know your PIN number, your tag's flat or absent, and then it kicks off into full alarm mode with horn honk after 5 seconds. So yeah, it's braked the engine, there's no ignition. I'm just going to put that tag back in. There you go. It saw the tag. It's seen the disarm command from the factory remote. It was looking for that tag. The spare one's absent, obviously. But yeah, that's called. That's what happens when authorization fails. If you know the PIN code, you can enter that, and that will interrupt that process. But this is what happens when the van is attempted with a fully functioning key, but no tags or no PIN code. So tags back in, alarms functioning properly. I'll show you how the remote start works on this. It works several ways. It works off the app, it works off texting the vehicle the command 21 via SMS, it works off ringing the van's phone number and dialing 21 on the keypad, and also it starts when you lock the van 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. The van will start. Mirrors stay folded in. To fold the mirrors out, you want to unlock the van, enter the vehicle. You want to put the ignition on to second click till the dash lights come on, and then using the cruise control buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel, enter your PIN number. I won't show what it is, but when the correct code is entered, the mirrors fold out and the van is ready to go. We've also fitted a reverse camera to this one, so this is a Sync 2 and a bit, so nice quality image. You've still got the factory parking distance control. You've got some guidelines which you can turn off if you don't need them, but as a tailgate van, this customer wanted them to be displayed. I'll show you the camera. That is a quite a nice little camera. And that's obviously wired up correctly. All the wires run down the that grommet on the near side rear. This has also got proximity on the front of the vehicle. I'll just show you how that works. So turn the engine off, lock the van, mirrors fold in, and when we do mirror fold, they do not fold out when you unlock the van. They don't fold out when you relock the van or double lock it. They simply fold in when you lock the van, and they fold out when the van is authorised to drive via the pin to drive system. So that's the proximity on this one is about a foot. So we've had the van open for most of the day, so when the van voltage is less than 12.6. It does decrease the range a little bit, but it's still plenty enough without it being too annoying. Works on both sides. This will detect anyone who's messing with the lock, and you can disable the front procs by simply pressing that service button as you leave the van. And what that does is it will disable the front procs until you next start the engine. So if you're parking somewhere that's mega busy, main road, outside a pub, outside the main entrance where people are coming past, outside of school at 3:30, so this turns this back off. It leaves all the other shock sensors, tilt sensors, motion sensors still active. Hang on. Yeah, that's gone full trigger. Yeah, might tweak that main shock level down. So yeah, it turns the procs off for one cycle of the alarm. When you want to turn the procs back on, you just enter your pin number, mirrors fold out, start the engine, and that's reset the procs. Thanks for watching. That's Andy from Vehicle Fit. I think I've covered most of the options we have done on this van. Thanks for watching. This is supplied and fitted in the West Midlands. 07900 605040. I've run out of stickers. They're at the sticker shop. To start the van as well with an automatic, you simply lock it 3 times, and that was just twice, sorry, 1, 2, there you go. Lock it 3 times and it will start the vehicle. The alarm's still active. If someone does try and break in whilst it is in remote start mode, you'll see what happens. You get the Ford alarm, the Starline alarm, the horn honk, phone calls, you get the lot. If you try and break into it whilst it's in remote start mode, you get everything going off. Phone call, horn honk, siren. There you go. Thanks for watching. Andy from Vehicle Fit. 07900 605040. That's the Starline S9 V2. Reverse camera, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra. Another nice little feature of the alarms that we do is this is the Starline LED and button, but it's not the brightest. What we also do is we install, shut up, a little LED in the binnacle. So at night this will light up the whole dash. It's no damage. We actually mount it, we just slightly file open a little hole in that louver or whatever it is, and we mount that in the binnacle. So at night you do get a very nice effect of that lighting up the whole dash. So we include that with all our installs free of charge. Like I say, there is a Starline LED and button, but it's not the brightest, so we include that one free of charge. Cheers.